Digital certificate. The Digital Certificate Service provides a detailed overview of the information about your vehicle. Directly in the dashboard, you can see the last generated digital certificate and the date of its generation. When you click on the Digital Certificate tile, you can see the data snapshot containing an overview of the most up-to-date information about your vehicle. The overview consists of the vehicle identification information, technical specifications, like for example, engine name, acceleration, or maximum speed, and most importantly, the mileage, current reading, and history. By clicking on the Generate Certificate button, you can generate a brand new PDF certificate based on up-to-date data. The system will create the PDF certificate within less than a minute. You will receive notification as soon as your digital certificate is ready, and the newly generated digital certificate will be saved in your list of certificates. On the certificates page, you can see the list of previously generated certificates and manage them. You can pick one or multiple digital certificates and delete them by clicking on the respective button. Each digital certificate can be downloaded by clicking on the download icon. By clicking on the pen icon and the line of the generated certificate, you can edit its name. You can also change the angle of displaying the certificates by clicking on the sorting button in the top left corner. On the generated certificate, you can find all the information displayed in the data snapshot: the vehicle identification information, technical specification, and mileage, current reading, and history. There is also a verification link on the PDF version of the digital certificate to confirm its validity. If you would like to share your digital certificate with the potential buyer of your vehicle, click on the Share button. After that, the system will create a URL link, which after loading will display the certificate even to an unregistered user. If you decide that you do not want to share the certificate anymore, just click on Manage Sharing and Stop Share. After that, the previously generated URL link will not be valid anymore. If you experience some troubles with the digital certificate, or if you have some questions, you can click on the question mark icon in the upper right corner and go through the Help section.